which is normally 4 to 5 rounds for the semi-finalists and finalists. So both of them getting ready. On our right is Sandeep Devrukar. You can call him the underdog right now because he is not in fine form. Last time he won a major title was the Asian Championships in 2013, and 6 years before to that he was an Asian champion in 2007. But Riaz Akbar Ali has been in the thick of things over the past 4 years. In 2016 he was a runner-up to Prashant More of India in the UK, and then in 2018 had again to play second fiddle to Prashant More in the World Cup. So right now Riaz Akbar Ali will be full of confidence, having one thing at the back of his mind is that his main opponent or his principal opponent Prashant More won't be there in the finals. So Riaz to break, it will be the best of it will be 8 boards. A set consists of 8 boards, and the player reaching 25 points first is the winner, or the player who scores the most number of points in those 8 boards. Empty handed is Riaz Akbar Ali at first strike, and Sandeep now a very steady and cool customer. That's what we have seen over the years, and many of he is asking the umpire to clear a speck of powder to be sure that it doesn't impede his way. Sandeep is very consistent, very cool, very calm, very calculative, and he has pocketed 3 coins, or rather 3 carom men in a row without a fuss. There he is. But there are at least 4 of his men, the black, which are entangled on the far side towards the base. Will try to play a rebound, doesn't succeed. Now Riaz, as cool as ever. He has to be, considering his status in the sport. He has been at the top of his game over the past 2-3 years, though he had to remain satisfied with the runners-up spot in the World Cup as well as the World Championships. He is now making slow but steady progress, definitive progress. He has taken the queen. Now that powerful shot didn't serve much except for pocketing that piece at the carom man at the mouth of the pocket. Still 4 to clear, which I am sure is capable of. A cut here, succeeds. This long shot also is good. That deep cut now, a challenge for him, and it happens so. Now Sandeep will have to do a lot of thinking. What does he take first? The one closer to him? No. He decides to displace that white as a defensive measure, so that some difficulty is experienced, but he makes it look so easy. He just, punches it, and it obeys its master's orders. How will he take this one? No. It was a bit difficult, but then now Sandeep, at the most he can do is minimize the damage in the very first board. How he does it? Let's see. This is done. Even this one that is open could be taken with a sharp cut, but is he playing those ones in the deep? Oh no, that was sheer bad luck. That was tried well, it was a gallant effort, but he cedes ground to his opponent 6 points in the opening game. Six is a good start for Riaz Akbar Ali, who must be having his sights on the finals after having learnt that his principal opponent Prashant More, the world champion and World Cup winner, because of whom he had to bite the dust both the times, if he is not there, then Riaz Akbar Ali thinks that his way towards the title becomes a bit easier. But before that, he has to quell the challenge of this man Sandeep Devrukar on the right of your screen. A very consistent performer, a twice Asian champion and a national champion to add, with the scissor break. Is not successful, doesn't get it right. Riaz Akbar Ali, with those long fingers of his, getting enough leverage to send those carom men packing, commits a due here, and will be penalized. But he hasn't pocketed anything as yet. No. So we'll have to wait for him to pocket one black at least for it to be brought back again on the board. So not a good beginning in the second board for Riaz, and here Sandeep is falling short of par. The shot was definitely aligned well. The due will come out now for Riaz, but he can pocket the queen. Having pocketed one black already, he has a right to the queen. How Sandeep places this one, of course, it has to be in that circle. The queen is definitely there, then another black is available at his thumb. Sure. So Sandeep will not get the 3 points meant for the queen. He'll break this cluster now. Is he successful in taking? Yes. He takes one, displaces the other two. This sharp cut is also available. No. Makes a hash of it. Sandeep will be trying to pull one back with a glance shot. No, he plays a glance shot, gets black out of harm's way, and this enables him to play this white now towards his left hand pocket. Maybe he'll play the thumb now. Yes, with a cut. And where will the striker go? Yeah. But not much that he can do except the thumb now that is trying with a cut. Will he bring the striker back? Oh no. Doesn't pocket it, so can't take advantage of the cluster that has been broken. But he is in an advantageous situation, Sandeep. If Riaz falters, again there is an if, because Riaz is known to be a consistent scorer. How does he deal with this? Yes, he manages. But there is one that is lying at the base, opposite base, with one white. He's trying this third pocket. Hook. No. Now Sandeep has to do the cleanup job as early as possible. He can aim at 3, 4, 1 is already down. The second is there for the taking. Yeah, he falters. You can't afford to make such mistakes, that too in a semi-finals against a much fancied opponent whom you may have beaten a few times. But then if he's right on spot, bang on target, then what do? Sharp cut here. That goes like a bullet. Tracer bullet, as they call it. Now he has to find out a way. Sandeep has got 5 on the board despite having broken or having had first strike. All 5 are in a position which is quite easy on the face of it, but then Sandeep has to execute the shots properly. So far, so good. Sharp cut. Yes, he manages. He's a consistent player, very cool, no jangling of nerves. This should be going. Yes, he manages to get onto the scoreboard. Just one, but then it is significant. You are there on the scoreboard. 6-1 the scores at the end of the second board. Riaz Akbar Ali, twice runner-up at world events, 2016 World Championships in UK, and 2018 the World Cup in UK, or rather Korea. I stand corrected. So Riaz had beaten Zaid in the quarterfinals. This is the second match we are telecasting of Riaz Akbar Ali. He had made short work of Zaid Ahmed, 25-11 in the first set, then 10-12, and then he won the third set. I don't have the scores right now with me, but then it was 2-1. Sandeep, no difficulty with in such positions. A sharp cut is now required. How does he do it? Oh, it was a connection. What he sees we can't see. What he thinks we can't think. We can think only to a certain extent. That black there at the right top pocket, right hand top pocket. Is he trying to play that? Yes, he tries to play with a brush, but in the bargain puts that white into the pocket so that it is not a hurdle the next time he plays. Slightly difficult situation here for Sandeep Devrukkar, the fair guy onto your right. Tries something different, but isn't able to touch any of his black men. In fact, ends giving some advantage to Riaz. Oh, Riaz should have taken advantage of that. Another one was there for the taking. Maybe the queen too was there. Why didn't he notice the queen? Was a good opportunity. Now Sandeep manages something somehow, but that is an opponent's white. So now Riaz should be going for the queen. Why didn't notice it earlier is a question only he would be able to answer. I feel everything is clear for Riaz if he pockets this one. Oh no, there was a brush. Sandeep too has an opportunity except for the one at the far base. The straight ones of course should be easy for these regulars, for these champions, for these gifted men. They are quite gifted. Everybody has his unique style, unique temperament, unique skills. The press shot is available. How does he go about? Does the striker go on the other black? Yes. Doesn't. That was a fancy shot. But what does Sandeep do now? Use a cut, rebound, or a press and cut together. Yeah. Riaz has things under control, I believe. He will be definitely pocketing this third board. Yes. Yeah, why to get towards the other side where, when you have it so easy. So Sandeep has to yield the board to Riaz. And is 4 points, quite profitable for Riaz. 10-1 the lead at the end of the third board, and maybe if he is able to win the fourth board by substantial margin, that puts him on course towards winning this match. Normally it takes about 40-45 minutes for 8 boats to finish, depending on the speed and pace and the skills or the cleaning skills of the protagonists or players in the fray. Sandeep, his first break was not good. Let's see what comes out of the second. This one is good. Got a small but strong fingers. Strong fingers trying to play this rebound, if I am not mistaken. Does well. For the first time I have seen a good rebound here since morning on the final day. This is the first semi-finals. Sandeep does well. Has to do as much as he can. What will he do? Press shot? No. He tried something. A little more force and maybe the white would have been entering the pocket, left bottom pocket of his. Riaz will have to, no. Sandeep will have to now, thinking twice, but no, he'll take a rebound, I believe. Oh, displaces both. Two blacks which were on the edge of the pocket. This one is there for the taking. I believe we should clean up the black that is lying on the right hand side top pocket, but has something different, a sharp cut. Oh, good connection. But then not much of a difference. Two are still there inside the opponent's base area. Oh. Sandeep should be going for the queen, or will he try and play this reverse? No. He simply prefers to bring the black back and pose a problem or two for Riaz. Riaz trying to pull that back with a cut rebound. And now Sandeep has to think of extricating this, a cut rebound here. Oh, nice shot. He's connected this one. And that was with intent, certainly. Queen is there. Queen is there. He has to gobble it. 3 points are very valuable and he misses. And Riaz is an able player to afford. Oh, the commentator's curse. He lets this opportunity slip. Now Sandeep will have to do something drastic. Push this white and also pocket the queen with a brush. Does it? There is one at hand which he should be doing. That's the best way. He'll be displacing the black also. No, the black is still impeding his way. I believe there is a sharp cut which he should be playing here. I don't know why he's going for the rebound. Maybe he's confident with it. A few players, they have their patented shots which they are confident of playing at crucial times. But here, Riaz Akbar Ali will have to play the cut after having pocketed that easy one. He is on a roll. How he deals has to be seen. So even this break hasn't helped Sandeep. Oh no. That was another hallmark or patented shot, hallmark shot of Riaz Akbar Ali. Sandeep has to play a rebound, which he will. A controlled rebound. But the black is not out of harm's way. That cut, now he has noticed it. That he should have played quite earlier, I believe. He doesn't get it. In pressure situations, it's difficult to get such cuts. Unless, of course, you are leading and have been playing well, warmed up well, and your opponent is making mistakes. And here, that's a clear path for Riaz Akbar Ali. He will surely pocket this. Oh, he makes a hash of it. I don't know why. Why? Why did he have to play it at that angle? I don't know. Sandeep should be playing ideally this thing, but what happens to the black? Oh, he has taken it. Now the rebound. He is good with his rebounds. He should be going for the rebound. There should be no two ways, no hesitation. A controlled rebound. Yes, it is. Why was he waiting? If he is confident of that shot, he should have played it immediately. But the fourth board does give him some, now sort of confidence. He's got 5 on the board, 4 from the fourth board. The queen was his. So 10-5 at the fourth board. It looks even. It's still not tilting in any player's way or on any side, like the proverbial camel tilting towards the right or left. Though it is not even, it's not decisive also, the lead, The scoreboard shows that 5 is of course marginal with 4 boards still to go. It's just the first set in the second semi-finals being played here at Pule Parle. Well played. He has a lot on offer. That big break, misses that. Why he should have missed it? Very difficult to understand, difficult to explain. But things happen likewise on the board. Sandeep cool as ever. The straight ones, the closer ones to the pocket are no issue for Sandeep. Should be ideally trying to break the cluster, but before that he has got one at the opponent's base. Here he is displacing that one so that Riaz Akbar doesn't have an asra, as we say, to play a brush shot. There he is now fumbling. That part of the board maybe is become slow, gone cold. Sandeep should be playing this in front of him. Is he pulling it back? A cut rebound? Yes. He cuts it into the pocket, breaks the cluster, now appears to be well placed. How he goes about the job is to be seen. Just wait and watch. He will be, yes, displacing that white. But then is the queen blocked? He has to think of the queen if he has to make some headway in this set. No. But this board is still not decided, so to say, or not yet open. He will separate the queen, yes. But does he have a cover? Where does he have it? Oh, the queen is taken and the cover is there on the platter. This is champion stuff. There it is. I believe he has a hold, solid grip over this. Yes. But that one, right in front of that arrow, or that semicircle as you call it. Oh no. Now Sandeep has an opportunity. How does he deal with it? This one is there for the taking. So are the other two. Oh, he misses it, misses it, misses it. Sandeep still not losing hope. Pockets this one with a scissor shot. Manages to displace those two. Oh, Riaz doesn't want to give Sandeep another opportunity. Here he is. Here he is. So the fifth board gone. 15-5 is the situation. Quite advantageous for Sandeep. Bit of powder. He wants to have it nicely done. He is cleaning his striker on a sandpaper. Very often the powder gets stuck and it becomes difficult. The sixth board about to start with Riaz having a distinct advantage at 15-5. If he can manage to get the sixth board, then I believe he is on the way to winning the first set. Let's see how Sandeep can stop him. Good break here. He has to pocket the queen now. There is no other alternative. But how he does it? Is it too early? Contemplating for a while. Even champions have to think for a time, long time. But that time cannot be more than 10 seconds. In international tournaments, it is 15 seconds to be precise. There the thumb is available. That is a bread and butter shot, as they call it in cricket. The queen now is available. Now it attracts his attention. Should be taking it. There is a cover immediately next to it. There. He makes sure that he covers it. What does he play next? Oh, he is trying this thumb with the help of that black. No, wasn't sure. Applied too much force. Riaz, he has to now retrieve the situation, at least now for this board, because he has a substantial lead. As you see, yes, a sharp cut now somewhere towards the far left. He does. Oh, that was a good shot. Slight error in judgment. Maybe the pace was more, the angle a little bit erratic. Sandeep has to do something. If Riaz wins this board, it will be an uphill task for Sandeep. And Riaz is on course, though there are three of his carom men. Definitely. Oh, what a sharp cut there. He is not going to give in so easily. He is a runner-up at 2 world events. There he is making way. How will Sandeep react? No, he is unable to cut it. Done, taken. There is a shot aligned. Will he prefer to go with it? Yes. Yes, it does. And there is space to play the black. Why the connection? Why? Oh, that's why. He is confident. So, Sandeep falling further behind at the end of the sixth board. 22-5 is the situation at the end of the sixth board. Now, Riaz won't be able to score off the queen now, even if he pockets it. But two boards, 19-5. Oh, it was wrongly shown. The scoreboard has been corrected. So 19-5. So Riaz can have the queen and can score off it. With the break now for Riaz, I believe he can finish the argument now within no time. If the break is good, he will definitely pocket the set, trying to align the carom men the way he wants. No gaps left, no loose fitting, so to say. The fitting has to be perfect. Everyone wants it the way he feels is right. Maybe it was a little bit loose, not a single pocketed, but then they are totally free, most of them. Sandeep will have a lot of thinking to do. He does. But he hasn't much to play. He is going for the queen, is it? He's taken the black, displaced the queen, put it in a position where Riaz will find to pocket it. Difficult to pocket it. Riaz slowly and steadily gauging the situation, though the break was not up to his liking. He has ample chances now, ample I would say, to pocket as many whites as he can and also pocket the board. The queen is lying in a fortress, so to say, and Sandeep will have to do something to destroy the fortress. There he is doing that, so that Riaz doesn't derive much advantage. But now he is comfortable playing this thumb. He will play a cut rebound? No. Well, the rebound was there to free those two whites. He did free them, but the cut wasn't productive, as you have seen. Riaz now definitely, oh no, trying too many things at a time. He has things under control, if I am not mistaken. So has Sandeep. Oh, nicely done. Nicely done. So much confidence. So much conviction while playing that shot. This, of course, is a bread and butter shot. How does he deal with this now situation? How does he connect with the queen? Yes. Is there a way for the queen? Of course, the black is in the way. He'll go for a rebound. That makes life difficult for Sandeep and little easier for Riaz. Enjoying a 19-5 lead with the 7th board in progress in the second semi-finals here. Ram Bharose shot, as we call it. Do something and leave it to God. But God hasn't been kind, as Riaz is about to pocket the cover, and this one should be easy picking for him with a rebound. Oh no, falls short. Now Sandeep will have to finish the board, so to say, to escape losing the first board, or rather the first set. He can gobble as many as he can, but Riaz, having pocketed the queen, has the advantage now. Because the difference of 14 cannot be bridged during the last board. Maximum you can score is 12. So Sandeep should get 1. No. Oh, he takes it and Riaz is through. I believe he is through. 25-5 the score for Riaz Akbar Ali. Sandeep has disappointed. The Asian champion, not in good nick, not in good, I would say, touch. Not in good touch. So they are just changing ends and again having the feel of the board. Having the feel of the board. I have already played about 7 boards. So maybe the change of ends, they want to see which way the carom men are rolling. Or in tennis terms or cricket terms, which way the ball is rolling. So who is having the break now? Probably Sandeep. No, it happens to be Riaz as he's cleaning the board. No. So it is Sandeep. Breaking has not been easy for him. It has not been a happy job for him. The breaks haven't helped him much. The way he has fared, 25-5, just 5 points. I mean, he has to pull up his socks. Again, nothing comes out of it. Nothing comes out of it. The par is there, but that is an unproductive break. Press shot, quite makes things look quite easy. Doesn't have much on offer, but pockets this one nevertheless. He has to pull a few back towards him to be able to make headway in this board at least. Makes headway. Goes for that long shot. Does it adeptly, quite easily. He has to clean a lot. Clean a lot. This one is there for the taking, certainly. Very few players miss such shots. What is he trying now? A sharp cut? No, a connection. He's trying the connection with the queen. Oh no. He has made it free for Riaz. And Sandeep will have to pay for that folly. It's a simple cover available for Riaz. At this stage, he is not bothered. Having won convincingly the first set at 25-5, and his opponent, oh, that was a good attempt to pocket one and get one back. Now the ominous job for Sandeep is he provides a block, but that block is hardly anything for an accomplished player like Riaz, who wouldn't bother to even think of it at this moment. Here he is, pocketing whatever that is available. Oh, a follow-up shot? No, doesn't get it right. Doesn't matter. He's in the driver's seat, having won the first set at 25-5. Sandeep will have to do all the running. But now this creates problems for him. Where does he go next? Try a rebound, third pocket. That's the only way he can deal with that pair. He gets it. He's good with his rebounds. But why he is not playing them often? This should give him confidence. If he gets this right, yes, he has opened the way, paved the way. Is it the right choice? Yes. This too should be okay with a sharp angle. Should be okay. The first time he has played confidently. 5 black on the board. Queen to Riaz. But even then 5 is good enough. After having a poor time on the board during the first set and having broken in a way that was not, exuding confidence in him, or not exhibiting confidence while breaking. So 5, after not breaking well, is good for a beginning during the second set. Let's see what Riaz now does, how he responds. There, a good break. Good break. I'm waiting for a break to finish. It's not happening. Want to see it very badly. But finals and semi-finals, they are very tight matches. It takes a toll on your nerves, puts a lot of pressure. And Riaz, as confident as ever, not much on the board. The queen is there, and then maybe the cover towards the bottom right hand pocket. No, he's not going for the queen. I don't think like him, and he doesn't think like me. Why should he? Sandeep trying to break that pair. Oh no. It puts a hurdle in front. Well, these are minor ones. All these big players, they are experienced and they know how to get rid of such blocks, of such impediments. Let's see who of these two goes to the finals to challenge Mohammad Gufran, who had scalped Prashant More in 3 sets at 2011, 522 and 29. Gufran will just, oh ho ho, that wasn't what he had intended, more by accident rather than design. And here Sandeep is getting it right. Lot of work to do for Sandeep. Again, a shot, not much intention in that. And Gufran can't get the queen at the moment, but he will try to play this one. Yes, he will now somehow try to play the one. Oh, he is going for the queen. Is it a rebound? Oh no, brings it back. Pockets one black, doesn't matter. Some help to Sandeep. He needs divine help at the moment now, because although he has won the first board in the second set, 5-love, he isn't in a happy situation. Gufran is trying the queen, but difficult to get it. That again forces Sandeep to look at the queen, to look at that pocket, top left hand pocket. Yes, does it well with the cushion. By playing it on the cushion, the queen is now there with the punch, available with the punch. No, he should have gone for it individually, I felt, at this stage. Gufran has a cover. Small errors which prove costly. Small errors, they prove costly in the ultimate analysis. Gufran will try to pull this back. Slight traffic jam over here, but they know how to go around them. This is there for the taking, even one towards the left, close to the cushion. That is done and dusted. Will he go for a rebound, or will he try to play it individually, a connection or a brush? He plays a brush, but then can Gufran find a way? Is he going for a rebound? He gets it. So 2 on the board. 2 on the board. Sorry, it's Riaz Akbar Ali. Just this thing, confusion here, because Riaz has played Gufran in the quarterfinals. So that ghost of Gufran still there in my mind when Riaz was playing him. It was a good match, nevertheless. No, Gufran played Prashant More, and he will be facing Gufran in the finals, the winner, I believe. Sometimes you get confused, get carried away with the play. And Mohammad Gufran, seeded 4th in the tournament, has reached the finals. He has scalped the World Cup winner and World Cup winner and World Championships winner, Prashant More, was top seeded. Sandeep has a good break after a long time. He has pocketed at least one. There are at least 2-3 available for him on the. Oh, that's good, but not productive. Riaz, he would want to finish it as early as he can, because a lengthy semi-final will make things difficult for him against Gufran, who has had a good rest now after having beaten Prashant More an hour and a half ago. Sharp cut here. Yes. Nothing much available except maybe the queen, which is seems to try. No, that was a cut on the outer carom man. I felt he was going for the queen. Their thinking is different, that's why they are champions. This one is taken smoothly. Sandeep is known to be a cool player, but when you are up against an opponent like Rizwan, it becomes difficult to cope. And he is in good nick. That is the problem. That break, successful break, not benefiting much. Here is Rizwan, as cool as ever. Does he have the queen in his sights? Riaz, I mean. Riaz Akbar Ali. I'm getting confused. Riaz Akbar Ali. Yeah. Riaz and Rizwan. The confusion, Gufran. It goes on. I'm watching Riaz for the first time, so maybe the next time I'll get it right and write. I beg your pardon, spectators. Now it is Sandeep trying a double. He's put himself in a spot of bother. 5 all the score after 2 boards. Riaz having won the first set quite easily at 25-5. Here he is on a roll. But then does he try and adjust this one and take the... Yes. The impact, the connection has to be right. The impact has to be right. Again, let's see. Too much work left for Sandeep now, but he can clear at least 4 of them, if I'm not mistaken. And can even go for the rebound on the 5th, that is lying close to the cushion on the right. He has an opportunity to finish the board. How does he do it? Yes, he's done it. He's done it. He's done it. Lots of power in that scissor shot. Another one. Now, does he go for a double touch or a rebound? He's good with the rebound. I don't know why he is dilly-dallying. He allows Riaz to play. I mean, couldn't make up his mind. Puts the onus on Riaz. What will Riaz do? How will he react? Oh no. I mean, a wide angled rebound will do. A wide angled rebound. No. He prefers to there it is, an impediment for... We had lost the signal for a moment. I don't know whether that affected you. Here is Sandeep now, putting one behind out of the reach of Riaz at the moment at least. Is trying to do 2 things at a time. Not successful. Sandeep has been forced now to play a sharp angular shot, which he should do successfully. And he does. He does. So for once, Sandeep has done something worth his reputation. A good board. Sandeep is up 10-5 at the end of the 3rd board. Riaz has to somehow recover and not allow this slip into the 3rd set. Battle not so tense and not so close also after the easy first set that Riaz had. But Sandeep is trying to make a fight of it. What a break here. I would call it a monster break. The queen is there for the taking. He goes for it early. Yes. Signal, signal, signal. We are having some interruption in the signal. Some interruptions, some technical problem. We are back. There the queen is covered. Queen is covered. So how does he go about? Am I going to witness a break to finish? I'm yearning for it. Yearning to see something special. Yes, he does. Oh ho ho ho. This has put him in another good position. Better position. If he can get this right, what happens? If he gets it right, oh, he has got it. So, is it a foul? Yes. One carom man brought up on the board. Sandeep contemplating where to place it, how to place it. Two on board. So, Riaz losing the initial advantage, and now Sandeep will have to clean up things. He'll have to clean up. Because right now, it's not in his favor. The situation is not in his favor. What is he trying? Oh, trying to entangle that somewhere. There is space. If he can push it with the bow, with the striker, he does that. Easy job for this big man. They are big men, yeah. He is coming back with a bang. If he can get this, he goes for this cut. Will he get it? Oh, he was trying to break that one also. But now things looking a bit easier. Sandeep, he has two at the opponent's base. He'll have to find a way out to extricate himself from that situation. Another one, well taken. Can pocket two. What about the rest? How will he deal with them? Now he is going to play with the white. I mean, some trick with the white. Yes. When in danger, try to pull your opponent's leg. Why not? This will be taken as looks like. Where does he play this now? To the other end now. You pull my leg. Oh, done in grand fashion. That leg pulling has not helped. Riaz, I mean, on the day it has been the best shot, the shot of the day, I would say. Shot of the day. So much confidence, so much art in it, so much thinking gone in it, and that thinking within 5-6 seconds. Yes, I do this, and that's how I take this. 11-10. Riaz back into the lead. Four boards gone. One set already won 25-5 by Riaz Akbar Ali, the runner-up at the 2016 World Championships in UK, and then again a runner-up in 2018 in Korea. Both the times he had to bite the dust against Prashant More, but thankfully he won't be facing Prashant More here, as he has been defeated in the semis. Here goes the break. Thankfully for Riaz Akbar Ali, the man to whom he lost at two consecutive world events in 2016 and 2018 will not be playing the finals. But right now, he is in a good position, good situation against Sandeep Devrukkar, a double Asian champion in 2007 and 2013. It's broken well, scored well. What will he do? Yes, does he go for this? Oh no, he has got one towards the right hand top pocket. Very neatly done, very gently. It's got a delicate touch. Very rare, very delicate touch. See, here he has broken the cluster, but the queen is not yet free. He will do the Ghoda Gadi here. Yes. No. But then the way is not clear for Riaz Akbar Ali, who, let's see what he does. The, oh, he drops that one. Wise thing to do. That will force Sandeep to break the cluster. Is there a connection available? No. But that white is clear. The way for the queen also is clear. Let's see. Riaz is going to play some trick and deprive him of the queen. On the face of things looking here, Riaz has a long way to go, but he confidently breaks the cluster, pockets one of his carom men, and now, oh, that's how you make the queen easy than what it was earlier with a glance shot. There it is. That black is available towards his right. Straight one. Shouldn't be any problems. And if he takes that, it will be problems for Sandeep now. Because if he can drop this one after playing this one in the center, these two look easy. The punch and then maybe a rebound. Yes, the punch is successful. And does he land a punch on Sandeep now? Yes, he does. So, Riaz Akbar Ali moving ahead now by 6. 5 boards gone, 3 to go. Uphill task for Sandeep after having lost the first set 25-25, 5-25. An Asian champion versus a twice runner-up on the world stage. Till now, it has been an uneven fight. In the first set and now the second set also looking a bit uneven. Has a good break here for Riaz Akbar Ali. The queen is free. Will he take it? Yes, he goes towards his left. That's it. To get a firm grip on this set, he has a firm grip now. It will take a lot of doing from Sandeep to stop him running away from this set. Is there a break to finish? Let's see. Let's see how he finds a way. There something that he can do here will decide. Yes, he is still in line for a break to finish. He is running away with the set. Oh, ho, ho, had that to go, he would have definitely found a way to finish following a break. But Sandeep is cool. He has slotted one. What next? That sharp cut over there to the far side. Oh, yes, he does it. Very smooth. This also can find its way. Yes, it displaces those two quite effortlessly. How does he do that now? With the connection, or does he play them independently? No, the connection fructifies. Very fruitful. What he can do is live to fight another day. Live to fight another day. That seems to be his motto. Another connection? No, a straight one. He is charged up. But there is one black lying at the base and one on the baseline. How does he deal with that? With a deep cut. There comes the deep cut. Maybe he'll displace that to black. Oh no, that is hard luck for Sandeep. The effort was very brave. Effort was very brave. But Riaz is not yielding much ground. He will now pull these two back along back to see that his white comes out. Sandeep can think of finishing this. If he plays the one that is behind with a sharp cut. If he can play that, no, he plays it straight. How does he deal with the one lying at the base? That is a $1 million question. Can he cut it sharply? Or can he punch it? Or is he going to pull it back? No. With Riaz having taken the queen, what has he? What trick does he have? It's a simple rebound. Yes, it is. Oh, on the cliff's edge. Giru ki nahi giru. Finally, Sandeep gets 1 point with 2 boards remaining. Difference of 5. 11-16 is trailing. It was a brilliant shot by Riaz, but not good enough to pay dividends. It was saying, जाऊं कि नहीं जाऊं? Should I fall or I shouldn't? So Sandeep will have to win this board to remain in the fray, to push the match into the decisive third set. Will he do it? He hasn't been so lucky with the break. That break has deserted him, but now he's getting it right. Lots there for the taking. First, he'll have to ensure that he doesn't lose the board. And then if he wins big, so that he goes into the lead. That's the only remedy available for him. वही दवा उसके लिए उपलब्ध है कि ये जीतो तो बड़ा, लीड ले लो और फिर प्रेशर डालो रियाज अकबर अली के ऊपर. He's going to pull it back. Oh, what a shot there. What a shot. You need a good vision, to see those openings, to see those possible shots. A brush and he has removed the impediment. How does he do this? Oh, nicely done. That one to the left is a possibility now, but how does he deal with the queen? The queen is open. I guess it is open. He'll play a dual utility shot. No, that has been difficult for him. He has to win big this one. Done. How does he take the queen? Then he has a cut available. Oh, nicely done. A cut is available now. A big board here. 4 and 5, 9, all 9 on the board. Oh, Riaz won't now pardon him for this mistake. Let's see if he can. But there is one lying at the base. That is going to be decisive. Oh, Riaz. He also has a bout of nerves. How does Sandeep do now? Cut it sharply, a deep cut. If he gets it, does well to create some problem for Riaz. Yes, live to fight another day, that's what he says. Because Riaz, the way he was shaping, nothing is difficult for him on this day at least. There. And as somebody whispered from behind, Sandeep has made the board safe as of now. As of now. But will Riaz play spoil sport or just deal with his carom men? That has to be seen. A sharp cut here. Oh, that was hard luck. 4 and 3, 7. And 7 and 11 makes it 18 for Sandeep. 18. He can force the decider if he can win the next board. He has to pocket the queen, deny Riaz the queen, but then he has also to ensure that it doesn't leave more than two of his carom men. Even two will have a tiebreaker. If it becomes 18 all, it becomes a tiebreaker. The ninth board will be played. It all depends because Riaz has the break now. Because he has been breaking consistently, and consistently means breaking well to good effect. He has the capacity to play the board. Certainly from break to he can break and finish also, but right now he'll have to find a way out to do that. He has to ensure that he wins the board, and by a margin with the queen. He has to get the queen somehow. This will maybe break the cluster. No. How does Sandeep react now? How does he respond? If he can take the back, there is the queen right there for him. Is it? What is he thinking? A shot over there? Yes. A dual shot, so to say. He has to pocket the queen, minimum. Oh no. It was very much there, but now Riaz would think of pocketing it. How? Yes. No, brings it back. Sandeep should be doing the clean-up job at least now. Because going after the queen has not proved productive. Yes. That hurdle has been displaced. Can he take this one with a sharp cut? And also displace the black? No. He's taking white. Helping Riaz at the crucial time. The queen is there now for him. Oh, he misses it. Oh, what a juncture to miss the queen. But is it easy for Sandeep? No. He should be taking the black first. Would he be brushing it against the queen? No, he has found out a way. Another black is there for the taking. Can he connect that white to the queen? No. Take the risk at this point of time. Plays a straight cut. Yes. Straight cut. The black is also there. If he can pocket the queen, the cover is available towards the right hand top pocket. Yes, he does well. The Asian champion showing what stuff he is made of. Showing his skills. Is it rather late in the day? That's the moot question. What does he play next? A sharp cut? A cut rebound on the second? Yeah. life little bit difficult for Riaz, but he should be finding his way out. Now that the queen has been pocketed, it's a matter of cleaning the board first. And who does it first? That is important. Here he is now, Riaz. Oh, that was fabulous. But then Sandeep too has an opportunity. 3 straight and 1 at the base. 1 at the base. Riaz must be hoping he doesn't clean it. But that doesn't seem to happen. He's cleaning up everything. How does he deal with the 1 at the base? How does he deal with that? If he punches it well, as his for the taking. No. No. Now Riaz will displace that black. We'll have to do something to stop Sandeep from winning this set. There he does. With a brush shot. Lying on the edge. There it is. But just one, and I don't think Riaz has an opportunity. Sandeep has to take this one. Has to take this one. Has to. He takes it and wins the game. Wins the game. Wins the. So Prashant More was beaten by Gufran 2011, 22-5 and 29. 5-22 and 29. Gufran incidentally is an international who has represented India in the World Cup at Maldives in 2014. He had one break to finish. Gufran, the only, or rather black to finish, the only one I have seen in the day today. So both of them getting ready after having changed ends. Having changed ends. It's going to be a humdinger of a match, certainly. Now that Sandeep knows that he can fight, he can challenge Riaz Akbar Ali, he will be trying to pull out a few more tricks of his. He is very strong on the rebound, especially the cut rebound, the third pocket rebound, the direct rebound. He is there and he is a very steady player, a cool customer, as informed by many of his opponents. Just trying out a few combinations, again trying to get the feel of the board, having changed ends. So let's see how much Sandeep can stretch Riaz Akbar Ali, who has been one of the top players in the world. Top players in the world. And Akbar Ali, of course, Riaz will be wondering, if I can get past this man, then I can have a crack at the title, where he meets Mohammad Gufran, the giant killer in this tournament. The Maharashtra State Ranking Tournament being played in Vile Parle, a distant suburb in Mumbai, where this event has been supported by Rotary Club of Parleshwar and the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Smarak Samiti, or Chhatrapati Shivaji Memorial Committee. So the first shot in the third set for Riaz Akbar Ali. Always an advantageous situation, because if you can break well, if you can score well, then you can go into the lead. It's always good to be ahead at the beginning of the set, but here this isn't too good at the moment for Riaz. Sandeep has just one there for the taking, but he does in his own way, pushing one white out of the way. Then he has got one to his left. If he can connect well, this will yield dividends. No, the connection was not there, but he has blocked Riaz's way. Riaz prefers to play towards the left now. Got two in a row. Will he take that? Oh, he's taking the one in front of him. Yeah, displaced the queen. That was the idea. The queen is important. If you can get the queen and a big board in the beginning, that's good. What is he doing? Oh, a cushion rebound. Makes it look so easy. Is he trying for the press shot against the queen? Yes, he takes it. He has a cover at hand on the left. He is not going to yield much ground to Sandeep, I believe, in this board at least. Oh, had he to get this cut right. But then there are two problematic ones to his right, lying closer to the cushion. Sandeep surveys the situation. He has to play those ones which are far off. Try to get one of those lying at the base free. Has he committed a foul? No. He managed to take his hand out in the nick of time. Riaz. Another connection. Yes. How does he deal with these two? A rebound? Yes. A powerful rebound? Yes. From a wide angle? Yes, he gets it. But then that white goes away from him. But he has cleared this block. And a huge board here, 3 and 4, 7 and 3, 10 if he gets this one. But how does he get it? Does he play a sharp cut? Or does he play a rebound? A rebound, almost got it. Sandeep must have had his heart in the mouth. A big board in the early stages is a very distinct advantage. Sandeep is cool. There are players who have this smooth way of pocketing, but here Sandeep lets it slip. 5 and 3, 8. Time to polish the striker. And you must polish your skills also when you are playing. Because if you don't polish them right now, it will be curtains for Sandeep. 8 love the lead in the third set. 8 love. It's going to be a huge advantage in the decider. 8. What will the second board yield for both of these players? What are the dividends? Sandeep contemplating a while. Concentrates now. Yes, it goes here. He is successful. About 2 there for the taking. Yes, 1 surely towards the right, more towards the right. Yes. Can he think of the queen? No, he is right now not. He is playing a press shot. No. Not much there to be had, even for Riaz. Just 1 towards his left. Is he playing the rebound? Yes. To block the way for Sandeep for some time at least. Doesn't have a free run. Can he hook this back? No. That was not the intention. The intention was to drive the black out of harm's way. Riaz has 4 of them. Fasa hua, as we call them, entangled, caught in a traffic jam. Yes, on the right, the far one. Oh, not expected of him after having considered a huge board and then having whites to deal with, because Riaz is not in a good position. He's got 4 and 4 8 on the board. Not a happy situation. He's been forced to play release shots from where he can get his men released from the traffic jam or get cleared from the traffic jam. The queen, is he? No. No. No, queen is not there. Oh, he is trying for it. He manages. There is a white towards his left. He should be ideally taking that, yes. He has ensured that at least Riaz will not run away with the score if he wins this board. A third pocket rebound. He is good at it. Oh no. Now the queen having gone off the board, they will be concentrating on their own men. The notorious queen is gone. It's notorious in the sense that when it is there on the board, it keeps distracting you. And the queen is a queen, a distraction for these kings of the board. All are kings in their own way. Sandeep has been a national champion, a 2 times Asian champion. Riaz hasn't won anything big as yet, except for 2 second place finishes in the World Cup and the World Championships. Here is trying a connection. Oh, a player of his caliber missing that. Unbelievable. He has a lead. Why he should be bothered? Why should he be bothered? Nothing much on offer for Sandeep. He will be trying to release a couple of carom men from the baseline. There he is. What does Riaz do next? There are 2, 3 available certainly. Oh, gets that advantage of the one sitting on the mouth of the pocket and releases one. This can be pocketed. Then these 2 on the right are for the taking. A sharp cut. Oh no. How does he deal with this? Oh, tried something. Lots of bother here for Sandeep. He'll take this, no doubt. Displace this, yes. I'll pull your leg. That seems to be Sandeep's motto. He'll again play that. Yes. Bring it inside. Yes. Deep. So that Riaz will have to do all the running. Oh, made it easy for him. Riaz is very sure shot with those strokes of his, the punch. And now, does he land this punch on Sandeep? No. What does Sandeep do now? He will try to pocket one, then displace the black if possible. He misses this. So things looking a bit difficult for Sandeep. So 3 there on the board, whites of Sandeep. So at the end of 2 boards, it is 11 love to Riaz. 11 love. 6 boards to go. Lot of time in the match. But then if there is time, you have to ensure that you score. And that has to be done by Sandeep now. Sandeep is now under pressure. Nice break by Riaz. Lots of power. And the carom men have dispersed in as many directions as they could. Does he have the queen now? For him, queen is of much importance because the moment he wins the queen, the going becomes easier. See, there it is. He means business now. He doesn't want to dilly dally. He wants to finish the argument. But it will now continue for some time. With that one precariously placed, Sandeep will have to deal with that. A sharp cut? No. He helps Riaz in the bargain. Riaz is running with the set now. Certainly. Oh, he has broken it. But then, how does he adjust this one? Nothing is available at the moment. Now that Sandeep will be under pressure, Riaz, oh ho ho, impossible. He was trying the impossible. It almost became possible. Sandeep has a chance to clear. Lot many there for the taking. 1, 2, then the third one is also there. 4th, 5th, 6th. He can go on and on with the way, rather the way he coolly deals with the situation. Oh no, it's a semi-final and the pressure is too much, even for a past champion. This one, if he can manage. Oh no, he has helped Sandeep. Now Sandeep has to help himself. With this due, one more white on the board, he has helped Sandeep, and now Sandeep has to help himself with the opportunity that Riaz has given him, a lifeline. Sandeep can't be a Karodpati, but he can definitely enter the finals with the lifeline. He can extend his challenge. The one towards the opposite base is a bit difficult. Takes this one, gobbles this one. Can take this one straight, yes. Does he push the white? No. A cut or a rebound? I believe he is comfortable with the rebound. But does he go for a cut? Oh, no, no, no. What is it called? A slip shot? Oh, another lifeline. If you take advantage of this, you will be a Sikandar. No, half-hearted. Not sure whether he wants to pull it back or take it. Now Riaz will not give him a chance now. No pardon. You miss, I punish. That's it. So at the end of the third board, Riaz inches his way towards the final. 15. Are they changing sides? Yes. So does that end from where he won the second set prove to be helpful to Sandeep? That is the question. They are scraping and polishing their strikers. Maybe the sweat on the palms and on the fingers is making the powder damp, and that is sticking to the striker. And it's always better to clean it, no? It's always better. It's like testing your brakes, while descending or ascending in the ghats. Most motorists or drivers, they check the brakes. Are they in condition? I am descending or ascending the ghat. Let me not take chances. So that seems to be the intention. 15 to Riaz Akbar Ali. He has won the first set 25-5. Sandeep replied with 20-16 in the second set, and now he is going for the break. Good beginning for Sandeep here in the fourth board. Good break. First time ever he has pocketed 3 in a row after breaking well. Got the fourth one lined up. Should be trying to displace the pair over here, which should liberate the white. There is the white for the taking, but then that white towards the left, towards Sandeep's right, is blocking a lot. Is blocking Riaz a lot. Here he manages the connection. Another connection in the offing. Yes. Signs of some good form from Sandeep. Can he take the queen? I believe he can. Oh no. Oh no, he tried the white on the outer side. How much can Riaz extract from this situation? He's brought the queen out, but then its way is impeded. Yes. There is that outer black from the two, from the pair. Yes, he does well. Blocks the way of the queen, incidentally. Sandeep will have to find a way to take the queen now. If at all Riaz gives him an opportunity, can he take this one? No. The intention was to displace the white, so that in the next attempt he will be able to make way for the queen. Riaz will play a cut. He's got the hurdle back in place. Rasta Roko by Riaz. Best way is to push that stone in the ditch. That's what Sandeep did. That black stone lying there. And now the sharp cut will raise Sandeep's heartbeat a bit. Again another impediment rather. Best way for Sandeep is to concentrate on the white and liberating the white that is there to his left. But how does he deal with the queen? He's trying to take a rebound now. No. Riaz may play a straight shot over these two. Yes. But the queen has gone far away from him. Will he play the queen first? He will play a straight cut, I believe, and then try to draw the queen back. He does. But the queen goes still further inside. Is it far away from the pocket? But then Riaz is known to... Oh, slight error in accuracy. It displaces that black. He is forced to do that. Play a spoil sport. A long... Oh, ho, 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 ho. That was a brave effort. Trying to pocket the queen and get the cover towards him. Fine cut return. Sandeep too will have to do that. Oh, fluke is it? Maybe a fluke, but then a fluke is a fluke if it helps to win. Cushion rebound now available. He shouldn't be much bothered. A champion that he is. He does it. Opens his scoring. 4 on the board for now. Scoreboard for Sandeep. He's getting longer now. and I am hungry, and so are the players. They are hungry to win, and I am hungry because I didn't have my lunch. So I am waiting for them to finish as early as they can. They are doing Rasta Roko, and I am on a hunger strike. Let's see who relieves me early. Riaz, the break as usual, powerful. How much is available? Not much. This, of course, will be there. No. He tried to push it like a hand cart. Didn't happen. The Dakal Gadi didn't happen. What does he have? A sharp cut? No. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho. Good vision. Good vision. He's trying two things at a time. Next time he may have it. But how much will Sandeep leave for him? Not Sandeep can't do much. He too has been blocked. 4 boards gone. 11 the difference between the two. Another sharp cut there. Yes. Black goes out of the way. The pair is there. Will he press the outer one? Will he? Wants to do something different. He breaks the other pair on this side, on his left. Not just nail biting as yet, but certainly close. There is one lying at the base, yes. Better to clear that rather than get it entangled. Even the one that there is on the left, oh, he's trying a cut, deep cut over there. Somehow the carom man couldn't gain speed. It was well directed, and here Sandeep is using force. Can he force the queen to go to the top left hand pocket? No. If prefers that slip shot, the striker slips and the carom man also slips towards the pocket. A press shot here in the offing. Does it well. Does it well. But doesn't find a way for the queen. That is more important for him at this stage. The 5th board. No. But then has posed a couple of problems for Riaz. He'll have to liberate those two right in front of him. Again, a tentative shot. Just relying on dame luck, lady luck. Sandeep does well. I believe he has things under control except the queen. How does he liberate her? Oh, that glance. No, that rebound onto the black. Now the queen is open. Will Riaz go after it? He has to. There he is. Sharp cut is available. Far right. There it drops. After waiting for a moment, a split second. Does he pull this one back? Or he goes for a cut with the advantage of the black? It did bang against the black, but then came back. A fancy shot here. 2 cushion or 3 cushion? How much? Oh, how do a sharp cut? Sharp cut. Sandeep has an opportunity here. Certainly. Oh no. That turned like a vehicle. which turns drastically when brakes are applied urgently. Oh, that's a hook shot. Was he trying that? I have my doubts. It just came off. Oh, now he can take it to the far right pocket. His job is done. Only thing is that the man doesn't stop there. So Sandeep forced to be under more pressure now. 21-4. Is it going the first set's way? 25-5 was the score in the first set. With 3 boards to go, 17 the difference. It's a very uphill task. It's like climbing Mount Everest for Sandeep, if I'm not mistaken. It's like climbing Mount Everest. Does he have enough oxygen with him now? And that oxygen can come if he gets this break right. If it's a good break and he can pocket 6, 7, 8 in a row or try a break to finish. Very crucial board now. Because one slip and Riaz is through. Nothing accrues. Riaz as usual, steady to win the race. Yes, this connection is trying now. Absolutely on dot, on spot. Timing right, angle right, the release of the striker right, another. Yes, and he has pushed the queen further. There is one more cut available now. Does he play that and allow Sandeep to play that pair? Yes, he prefers to play that. Why not? Is there a connection available to the left? No, he's trying a cut to the far right. He takes it with consummate ease. Ease of doing business you have seen with Riaz. How he does business easily on the board. Now we can play a glance and try to drop the one near the pocket. Yes, he does that. The other black is free now. The only problem is the queen. Huge task on Sandeep's hand on his own break. You are never in trouble on your own break, but then Sandeep is, after having failed to pocket even a single carom man. The queen is problematic, but what does Riaz do? Does he play a connection to pocket the black? Yes, he does. Liberates the queen, but where does he take it now? Where does he take it? That's the $1,000,000 question. Only if he had to get the queen right out of harm's way. There is a third pocket available. Oh no. That was a brave attempt. Now Sandeep will have to wipe out everything that he can. Wipe it out clean. Four and 4, 8 plus the queen to be taken if he wants to remain in the match. Another chance gone. How does he play this one? A rebound back to the bottom right hand pocket. That's the only way, I believe. Okay, that will again force Sandeep to go after the queen. There is no option left for him. It doesn't matter even if he pockets the queen. What he has to leave on the board is less than 4 to remain in contention. Riaz's job is very easy now. Just 1 to pocket. Sandeep has got this one at the base. If he can get this one, maybe he has an opportunity. He has an opportunity to wipe the board clean. Oh no. How does Riaz deal with this one now? Does he pull it back? Or play it on the white? Oh. That was what was needed. More precision and he would have been the winner of this match. Sandeep has to now somehow somehow reduce 2 carom men from the board. We can do this. Maybe a slightly harder shot to displace the black would have been better in order. But then he has now saved the match at least for the time being. No. Things looking easy and rosy. How does he press this one? He is a master at it. He does it. So another 3 makes it 24. I don't think Sandeep now coming back into the match. 20 is too stiff in 2 boards. Too stiff. Unless Riaz commits suicide or harakiri as they say. And Riaz breaking now. It's a distant dream for Sandeep now. Riaz will face, in all probability, Mohammad Gufran, who has beaten Prashant More. Gufran's morale will be high after having beaten the world champion, and his hands will be itching, to beat the ultimate runner-up to the champion, that was Prashant More. If I have beaten the champion, why not the runners-up? That thought will be there in Gufran's mind. A press shot here. No, play it straight. A sharp cut. Oh, he manages to liberate the queen. Can he take this one? Can he take this one? How will he get a cover for the queen? Where does he release the striker? Champions don't have problems. Let's see how he comes out of this. A connection seems possible. No. It was there. Minor adjustments had to be made. Queen has to now be closer to the center. It can't be at the center because the center is occupied by 2 carom men, one black, one white. So the umpire job is to bring it as close to the center as possible. That's the law. Sandeep should be wiping out because the queen is in safe custody right now. Oh, why he displaces it, I don't know. He's having his back to the wall. Just 1 point needed for Riaz. Ideally now Sandeep should be aiming to finish the board. Yes, he does in fine fashion. And takes one more step towards that direction. Well, a sharp cut. Oh, that's a good cut return. Cut rebound. He is very good with those rebounds. Good technique. Good for youngsters who are watching this. How to get a cut rebound, but then the straight one eludes him. That's not required at this moment. Riaz has cleaned up everything, leaving no opportunity for Sandeep whatsoever. Even if he loses this board, that won't matter, because just 1 point will bring Sandeep's tally to 5, and the last board becomes infructuous. It has no meaning whatsoever. Match is over according to me. Only the formalities remain, and that's how he finishes it. So 25